Well, here's construction progress part 2 of my Revell Monogram P40B Tomahawks, Warhawks, Tiger Sharks, whatever. It's under kit number 85-5209er. So right now, what I have are, of course, the drop tanks, which are these. Well, the blue one's obviously for the British one, because it's right here. And of course, this one's obviously for the United States Army Air Corps version. So this is right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply some glue here. Then from there, I'm going to put the tanks on. Ooh, that was uncalled for. A little drop of glue somewhere in an unnecessary spot. Okay, the Royal version got hers. Now it's time for the American version. Now, when it comes time for me to hang these models, or you might see them now, I've done my own modifications to these model kits here because I don't really agree with some of the markings, and of course, it's a model. I've heard my father, and of course my father's friends, along with other people who said that they have built models as children, young adults, that yes, you could paint them whatever color you want, and of course you could modify them however you want, like right here. Yes, I wanted them modified like this. And of course, as you can see here, I have all the variants now for the Revell Monogram 1-48 P40B Tiger Shark, which appears to be this kit here. Well, that's all I have for now. See you around.